I had the privilege of seeing and hearing Dr. Rafiq Zakaria Sahab when he graced a couple of functions in our school, that is the Little Flower School in the 60s. I am also very proud that I have passed my Masters in Mass Communication and Journalism from the Maulana Azad Institute in 2012. And I am very happy that during that time I could interact with the dynamic Madam Fatima Zakaria, who is very inspiring. Zakaria Sahab was a very respected and revered citizen of Aurangabad, and he has been instrumental in its development in the 60s and 70s. He was a renowned scholar, writer, educationist, and a visionary. I pay my humble respects to him.